We do have Mr. Bergquist, and he is here to evaluate me. You might probably see him in the next few weeks. He might show up unexpectedly and evaluate not any of you. So don't be scared. And we do have Mrs. Erdis. If I'm correct, I always make mistakes. Yes. And of course, Miss Gilmore and probably Miss Barger would show up late. So I take a quick attendance and then we move up to the general microscopy stuff from the previous week, because last time we didn't get a chance to go over all the slides, and that was the big issue because of the course selection. So, and I learn your names. Okay. I don't see Paige. And Shayla? How do you pronounce it?
He's here.
Alright. And then we do have Cadence.
Right here.
Cadence. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. And then we do have Kelly. And we do have Nate. Oh, and Evelyn. Perfect. Eva. Awesome. And Sam. Sam is not here. And this is here. Dakota. Awesome. And Izzy. Monica or Monica? Spencer. And Duncan. I've seen Duncan. Claire. Oh, Claire is here. And Mila is here. Maya.
Here.
Yes, you are here. And Kira. Perfect. And Morgan.
Here.
Morgan, yes. Lauren. And Riley. Here. Awesome. Sterling. Kaylee. And Seth. Thank you. And of course, I know you guys. I was wrong, yeah? How many on us? That was correct? She got this face. Well, however. Okay. So first of all, I have a question for you. So far, in the past 3 lessons I've taught, do you have any concern or question or something unclear? I know some of you weren't here before, so I understand that. We cover everything. Anything you don't understand or you're not sure? Good. Sorry? We do actually, most of the time, let's say 80% or 90% of the time you're using it. So, as you see, we do have guests. And you notice that because I don't have any access to your Google Classroom, I can't share my slides with you. I try to find a way to share slides with you because it's a good source of information for you. But all the information except the microscopy part comes from the your science book. You can find it, but I managed to the IT department to give me an access to your Google Classroom. But for now, I provided you a notes for the whole week, I thought, and it can cover everything. No problem. This one. And what else I'm doing today, instead of me setting up your microscope, I ask you, a group of 4, go and collect one of the microscope. For each microscope is for a pair. The reason I'm asking you to go to take the microscope, I want to see how you handle the microscopes. As I showed before, there is a certain way to handle the microscope. Bring the microscope. I've already set up this slide under the papers. Most of them are set up. You can visualize the cells. I need you to have one pen or pencil and one paper to draw whatever you see with each slide. While you are watching the slides, I ask you to move around, but that's the thing, every 4 minutes, roughly every 4 or 5 minutes, and I come around you and ask a few questions. I want to see how much you understand the concept. If you know the microscope parts or you don't, or you struggle, I explain that to you. If you don't understand, I explain that. If you do, that's why we're going to keep going, okay? So, do you want to first you 4 go and take 2 microscope and 2 from here go to take microscope, and all the microscope goes and plug into every desk closer to the dogs.
But that's like the only thing that I can do. Yeah, it's right
Okay, class, can I have your attention for 1 moment?
7. I have 7.
1 moment. Quick question. Who doesn't have introduction to microscope handouts? Who doesn't have the crossword puzzle on characteristics of light? Who doesn't have the 1 week note from the day I started teaching? You all have. Perfect. You're good. Yeah. Okay. Class, we have, can I have your attention for the last time? For the last time, please eyes on me. Ready? Can you go back to the back of your microscope page? And let's go spend 2 minutes on the last question.
I don't know.
Are we all on the same page? Okay. When you go to the, I'll read that for you. Have a quick look. The power of lens tells you how many times it will magnify an object. To find how many times an object is magnified, multiply the eyepiece lens power by the objective lens power. In the table in front of you, you see two numbers. One of them is eyepiece lens, the other is lower objective lens and higher power objective lens. And then you have two blank boxes in front of each row. Basically, you multiply eyepiece lens with either of 10 magnification and 40 magnification, and then write down your answer on each blank boxes. And that's the last thing you're gonna have. And have a great weekend. But before you leave the classroom today, we do have a few minutes. Do me a favor, some of the volunteers, make sure, turn off your microscope with the green button, then plug out, remove your slides carefully, don't tear your hands, and don't break the slides. And then I brought one trolley here. We can put all the slides on all the microscope on the trolley, and I move all the slides and trolley, the whole trolley to Mr. Salon. Good luck.
Multiply